For this one, when you carry me around, so last, eh?
Let me first go to your church. I know they go.
So, now my church now. Now my church. Eh? You think I don't know what you and Maduka they do for this village? Make you come church, come cleanse yourself of all unrighteousness. Now you say no. You no go church. If you never let me go that church, eh? If you never let me go that church, eh? Last, everything go there alright. But last, eh? Last, eh? I will punch you.
Sister, let me first go to your church. I don't go.
Master, what is it again? Eh?
Every time you and your sister will be fighting, what is it?
Which one is what is it? You know see how they beat me. Let me first go to church. I don't go anywhere. I don't go.
Mercy, the way you go about this village with this your repentance stuff, as if you are the one that holds the key to heaven, eh? Must everybody repent one day?
Hang on, sir, I bend down way. Ma, see this your half teeth when they join together. When you take the talk nonsense here. Last, you thought that way go fire you. And from heaven now you go come. If you want go air fire, enter Okada now. May the rush they go. As for me and Mars, as for me, we're gonna serve the Almighty Lord. Now Moses talking. As for me and my house, we go serve God. If na my eye or my right hand, now you want make me make heaven. Holy Spirit say, make a cup and cut and come out. I go kill her. Kill her because no one to repent. Kill her.
Darling, I know they go. I
go slap you now. She has to make me to read God's word for granted.
Sorry. I go.
Follow me now. Make I go slap you the second slap where you dodge. Come here. They run. Bring your neck. I will do you today. You are going to do today. You go pay yourself. I go wound you. Now.
Who am I seeing?
It's me of you, your wife.
Is this true or a dream? You're all welcome. So you finally heeded to my warning? But that advice I give you to come home first and settle. Then replan your future. You've done the right thing. That's good. You're welcome.
Thank you, Papa.
Hey!
How are you doing?
Dry.
Where is everyone? Are you the only one at home?
They've all gone to the farm.
Okay.
You know, farm is a big business. This is there's no white collar jobs together. Hey, you're welcome.
How you're looking healthy.
I'm managing.
Before you come on in, I would like to manage.
This is a very big welcome.
Mama, welcome. Where are you coming from?
Collins, is that the right word that will come out from your mouth? To your mother? Ogechi, this firewood is still here. Where?
Mama.
If you dare open your mouth to tell me welcome again, Makachuku, I will break you. I will pieces you. I will break you into pieces.
Mama, what is this, eh?
What is this?
Mama, you just come in now. Don't come and start your usual trouble, I beg you. Please. Mama, let's go inside.
Collins, me, go inside. I have come to start my usual trouble. Ogechi! Ogechi! Ogechi, you will leave my son's house today. Today! If you don't leave inside, Ogechi.
Mama, what?
Oh, your wife is running away from me.
Please, Mama, I beg you.
Don't please me!
Mama, don't come to my
Don't please me!
What is it now?
Okay.
Mama, I don't like this. I don't like this. You don't understand.
Is that what now? What is all this now? Okay. What thing you do is that since that useless Maduka boy don't swear juju, say you not go make heaven. Huh? I go tell you, the way Abraham take tie Isaac, when he can donate Isaac to God. That's why I go tell you for here until sense come your head. Sister, wait! What do you do? Better say you won't marry me. Oh, he won't marry you. As if be local carpenter for this village, he won't marry you. That carpenter work, now they take wash your head. Say he won't marry you. Okay? Eh? No worry. By the time I reach that in shop, the remaining wood where they in shop, he go take and do coffee. He go enter inside, he go closer. By the time I finish that, because I carry Bible. This Bible, will be saying a person writer. This Bible. No worry. By the time I tie you here, finish. Yeah! Help! God say, Mama, no day. Nobody go fit untie you. And even if Mama come back, she no go fit untie you. Because she knows say this in Peking where they carry Bible. Malika Shondrabasandrebo say. She knows say my head no correct. Rabasundrabasa. She know. Say my head is not correct, and this Bible, now person write them. She no go bold untie you. She no go bold until sense come your head. Now here you go there. You the mad? Sister Pig, I'm big, Sister Pig. I beg you didn't blame me. Ah! You I don't take. You must make heaven. I dey come.
Sister Mercy dey come, anointed evangelist. When she carry Bible, she know they take nonsense. She said make we repent, give our life.
Okojie, now two of you are back. What plan have you about how to survive? What kind of business have you come to do in the village so two of you can survive there?
Papa, to be honest with you, I have no money with me. I just manage myself with Amara to return to this village. There is nothing left.
Shut up that your mouth. What are you telling me? You didn't return with any money. My son made money while alive. All the money he made was with you in Lagos. How can you tell me you've returned now with no money made by my son? Who are you telling that one?
Papa, you will not understand. It has not been easy for I and Amaral. That was why I came back, so at least we can put heads together and think of the way forward.
Hey, Melu.
Grandpa, please now. We just came back. Can't you welcome us well?
Shut up your mouth. Amara, do you know what is at stake? There are many things at stake. The food you will be eating. Now, if you have to go to school, the school fees to pay for you. Clothes to wear. The money to buy those clothes. If you put mouth here again, see, we are not going to put any heads together. I am now going to tell you what you must be doing. Oh, two of you will now become automatic farmers. You go to farm, you cultivate, time of harvest, you harvest, go and sell in the market. Any money you make here will be used to sustain whatever life you are living here in the village. Is that clear? Farmers!
Ah, Papa, farming cannot be an option for me. Oh. I can't be staying in the city enjoying AC and you expect me, when I return to the village, you expect me to go and farm.
Okay, why didn't you use container to import the AC? So when you're here, you continue the enjoyment of the AC. Even the farming I've told you about, you will carry AC to the farm. In our AC ever. In our credit, AC ever. That's what it is. Bonya kina chekowa. The kwan sheba. Now just prepare yourself, to be farmers. If you go skiing now, do you see the skin? They will all turn black. Mosquito bite. In fact, you're going to make mosquitoes your friends, your boyfriends, your girlfriends. They bite you every day. You get used to them. Do you understand? That's the only way to survive. AC. Two of you get out from here. Your husband is no more. The money you have squandered. So, fall on farming. Get out from here now.
I don't understand again. What is keeping the girl now? There is no time. Monica, you should have come. Let us finish this work. The owner will soon come here. You know, this your girl, her sister. Maybe she had followed her to the church. They don't have church now. When they have church, it's in the evening. You understand? And we have an agreement today. I've already bought my business house. Yes, now. You know this girl, she has been telling me today, tomorrow. Now I am ready. So what is keeping her? You know I love that girl. Sorry. So what is important to you is rubbish while we have works to do. Sorry, good? Oh yeah. Amikari, you come here. I hope you know. This work where you do now, Amikari, you come do this work. So no time you wait, I no pass you. I get appointment with person Anna today. Anna my girl. And this girl has been telling me today, tomorrow. Today I am ready. And I'm explaining to you as my friend to understand. You're telling me nonsense. I did try to explain to you, make you understand. You they open eye for me. Okay, I go find.
Mama, come in. If you touch me again, I'll kill myself. Leave my wife for you. Leave my wife. What is this? Leave my wife. What is this? Ada! Come on, forget all about everything that belongs to her. Turn them outside. I'm not fair. If I guess you in my room, I'll scare. Come on, get up from here. Oh, come in, Mama, leave my wife alone. What is this now? What nonsense is this? What is the meaning of this now? Can't you let me alone, Mama? What is this?
Holy, 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 Sister Mercy, holy evangelist, heaven is our holy, holy.
I'm sure about the go. Yes.
You want make I do work for you?
You the Chris? Now which work you want help me do? I want to know what they use my sister do for this village. Because this is your matter now. Bless I'll begin to speak in tongues for you. I don't want you, you know, I don't call you, you know, I don't tell your mother tells us me leave my sister alone. She not tell you that side.
Mercy, what did I do to you? What did I do to you? I have told you I love your sister. Your sister in return loves me. We both love each other. Okay, let me marry your sister, you said no. What else do you want me to do, Mercy?
You want to marry her? Say you want to marry her. You know, say even Bible Bible swear by person wey marry wife wey no fit feed am. Bible call am infidel. For the end of the infidel, Bible can say, whoa.
I be infidel.
Whoa. You dey tell me say you wan marry her. As you stand here now, so you get money for your pocket. You get any money for this your pocket? See am. So see dey carry waka. See am. Whether na medicine o, abi na matches o, no. Hey! May I follow me see o? Now you buy this weapon of mass destruction for my sister?
You must give me that thing. Give me that thing, oh.
You give it today.
That thing is for your sister. Give me that thing.
We will die here today. Me and you.
Mas, why are you embarrassing me? What thing I do you? Why you shout my name? I kill anybody?
I said me and you go die here today. You never understand. It's whether you kill anybody. This character where you don't exhibit now, where I don't keep for my wisdom side now. You know say, growth of God pick up upon this earth because of you.
You know what I want to use them do?
What do you want to do?
I just put them for my pocket.
What do you want to use them do? You need God. You need Christ. You need to change. I tell you need to change.
If I need Christ, that means you need condom.
You need Christ.
You need condom.
You need Christ.
Na condom now you need.
I'm sorry. Okay. I am sorry.
Just leave me alone. Collins, leave me alone. You've seen what your mother is doing to me.
Honey, come on.
You've seen it, right?
I'm sorry.
Just leave me alone.
I am sorry, okay? I'm sorry about everything. I know what you're going through, okay? I'm sorry. You know what? I promise you, okay? I will handle this.
This is what you've been saying. This is exactly what you've been saying. Collins, tell me. Am I the one that gives children?
Honey, I know.
Tell me, am I the one that
gives children?
We shall know today who gives children. Wait! We shall know today who gives children. These are your things. Take them. Leave my son's house. Go away. Now, leave this compound. Collins, take this girl away from this compound. Before I will do what the... Take into the news by tomorrow morning.
Mama, what nonsense is this?
Mama, what nonsense is this? Mama, what have I done to you? Mama, what have I done to you? Look, I might be your son, but I'm not stupid, Mama. How can you come into my house and take unnecessary nuisance? Mama, I don't like this. I don't like it. You're pushing me to the wall, Mama. I will do what you don't like. Do what you don't like. Do it. Whatever you like, do it. Mama. Yes, I am your mother. You're after this one. That is pressing you big pop, like a remote control. She cannot even give you a child. Yeah. She can't give you a child. Step up, boss this one. Move. Move. Wow, leave my son's house. Mama, I don't like this. Mama, I don't like it. Open this door. Open this door.
It's okay. No, it's okay. Don't worry. I'll leave.
Mama, stop this.
Please
stop this. I beg you. Please stop. Please, don't do this. I'm sorry, okay? Please. Stop. You're not going anywhere. Mommy, come on. You're not going anywhere. Mommy, I won't let this happen, okay? Just wait for me here. Wait for me, I'm coming, okay? Let me pass through the back door. I'm coming. Mama!
What have I done? Help! 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 Hey! Help! Mama! Hey! Mama, please come. What did you do? What are you like this? This is not your daughter. Mama, untie me, please. Just untie me. Mama, untie me. By the time you're losing me, I will leave this house. So she wants all of us to die before Christ. Mama, quick, before she will call me. I am trying now. Mama, quick now. Hey, you see your life. If you had followed me to the farm, would this have happened to you? Mama, that's not the issue here now. Untie me before she comes here. I am trying. Mama, hey, Mama, now what did they do so? Huh? Now what did they do so? I'm trying to untie her now. What did you say you want to untie her? Why would you tie her like this, like a goat? Is she not your sister? Mama, when woman behave like man, no be man it be. Let's say they behave like goats, now waiting, no be goats. This guy is here, so you don't sweat, you say he must go a fire. You don't go astray, and she say it stands so. If we know all on time, if we know all this girl on time, when she don't register fire, after you don't register her name, you go register family name. After you don't register family name, you go open limited liability company for your fire there.
What did she do? This way you're forcing her to repent. She will not repent now. Repentance is not by force. Even when you preach to people, you try to force them to repent.
Not by force.
It is not by force.
Not by force. Not by force. Because this Bible why they read here, tell me say, right from the day of John the Baptist, the kingdom of the Lord suffered violence. And now only the violence, then they take them by force. Not by force. Wait. Now tell me this.
What's that?
Condom. I collect them from Maduka hand. Now who Maduka won't buy condom for? If not be this stupid girl where they here. Now who won't buy condom for? Eh? Maduka. Maduka carpenter. Maduka will be say in armpit they smell. Eh? Now in this mumu they go follow. Imagine them, mama. Just imagine them. As I see how they come. Now I say, nobody could be that. Now goat. Nobody around go the fire rope. Why can't take time like goat who she be?
Mercy, are you sure? Eh? Maduka and Akudo, they've been seeing each other. But you've never seen them doing anything wrong.
Mama, you don't support them. Person where they go astray, you don't support them. Person where they already they lost, you still support them, make it go astray. I no one best for you because I get Bible verse where they read for all my enemies 3 o'clock for midnight. By the time I read Psalm 81 for you, come join them with Psalm 89. I can't remember Psalm 93. Come patch them up with Psalm 91. It go be a cigarette though. Everything will just be a cigarette. If you want to make it live here, we should come for this tree now because last everybody go there alright. If you want me to come up for this tree now, she go stand there, she go read Psalm 23. The Lord is her shepherd. By the time I'm ready to go church, she'll follow me go church for cleansing.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. The Lord is my shepherd.
The best way make you to lie there in green pasture. The best way restore your enemy. The best way set table before the presence of your enemy. You don't know the verse. Yeah.
Honey, please come and enter the car. Let's go.
For her to enter. A woman who has not given you a child. Collins, you are opening the car door for her to enter. As a queen or what?
Mama, you're in the house, right? Mama, eat the house, okay? Eat, in fact, you can take this house to the village. We are leaving the house for you. You're okay, right?
I'm very okay. Take her away from here. Asa! Take her away!
It's the house.
Take her away from here. Fast! Open the gate! Open the gates! Asa! Move! Move, bro! Nonsense! Where is it, that man? Come here! Hey, Mama. Where is Ada? Ada!
Ma?
Come, listen to me. I am the mother of your boss. And you must obey me.
Yes, ma.
If not, I'll sack you. Get man. If I see that firewood in this compound again, I will pieces you. I will pick you. I will tear you. Pieces you.
But Mama, firewood no dey this compound.
You the Chris?
No.
You know the Chris?
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Yes, no. You the mad. That girl your oga took out of this compound just now is a firewood. A woman who cannot give birth is a firewood.
But Mama, na barren woman Bible call am now.
You don't craze before. Then a Bible. I am calling her firewood. That's what she is.
And listen, if I see that woman in this place, I will kill you. Monagi. Ada?
Ma?
I have something to do with you.
Okay, ma.
You say she no fine.
Take care, let's go inside.
You say she no born. Now she be my choice, now she be my wife. I like her like that. You say she no fine.
Wow. I never see this kind of woman. If not your daughter, will you call her Barry woman? Trouble mother like you.
Hey, yeah. Yeah. What did you just vomit? I had something.
I was singing.
What did you say?
I was singing.
You were doing what?
Singing.
You were doing what? Run away from here. Look at him. I'm not fit. What?
My brother, don't you know that for Mercy to have seen that condom with you, everything has spoiled. She will no longer give her sister space. My brother, you need to be very careful with that girl before she will send that Holy Ghost fire on this your head. Or better still, pray psalms for you.
And who is scared of her prayers and fasting?
Eh?
Let me tell you, I am not one bit scared of her fasting or her prayers. Do you understand? What have I done? What actually have I done? What is wrong with this Mercy? I keep asking myself, what is wrong with Mercy? Can't I marry her sister?
Eh?
Onyeka, am I not man enough to marry her sister?
You say? Monica, you don't have money. You don't have money. See, if you don't get money, hide your face. I hide my own. Mercy needs a rich man to marry her sister so that she can support her in the church. Eh? You can't do anything. You can't even buy a common plastic chair. Huh?
Onyeka, let me go. Don't underrate me. Don't underrate me. Besides, I know what Mercy's anger is. Mercy came to me and asked me to give her wood and roofing sheet for her church. And I told her my price. She ran away. Do you understand? Okay, now that the sister is back from the city and I've started liking her, she's now after me. Why? If I want to get her kudo to marry me, I know what to do.
What will you do?
I will simply give her some wood and even do the roofing for her. She will willingly give me her sister. She will do that even without money. So leave that thing you're talking about. Stop laughing.
Ada?
Ma?
See, you see those dress, those skimpy dress, those small ones, short ones like this, just like this, I want you to be wearing them.
Mama, my Oga and Madam will not like this.
You are mad. Ada, you no longer have Madam in this house. I want to make you the Madam of this house. I want you to seduce him.
What? Mama, my Oga?
Seduce him. Make him to like you. If he touches you, don't say no. You know?
Mama, this is going to be very, very hard for me. This is going to be very difficult for me. Madam has been very, very nice to me. I can't do this.
Shut up. That is what she does to keep you away from her husband. Ada, this is a very great opportunity. I want you to seduce him. And if you succeed, I will give you plenty money. Don't be scared. I'm here. I will go, but I will come back. So don't be scared. Seduce him.
Honey, what is happening? Why is your mother tormenting me like this? I remember she used to love me. What is happening now?
Honey, you don't have to ask me a question you already know the answer. Okay? just don't want you to bother yourself. Alright? You're still young. And I know that you're going to have a child. It's very certain. Alright? Please. Don't get yourself worked up.
I'm no longer happy. I am no longer happy at all. Baby, do you know I can't even sleep anymore?
Honey, please. Please, I beg you. Don't bother yourself, okay? I am very sure we're going to have kids. Beautiful one at that. Alright? Look, if my mom likes, let her stay in my house for 1 year. I'm very much capable to be for this hotel for 1 year. I won't be bothered. And if I get to the house, she's still there. I'll pack my things, come back here and stay with you. Alright? My love.
Thank you. Thank you very much for staying with me. Thank you.
Oh, come on. You don't have to thank me. Alright? It's our burden. We'll have to carry it together. I'm your husband. Of course I'm not going to do it. I don't want you to bother yourself about rubbish issues. Okay? All I want you to be concerned about is money. Make more money and live happily. Look, I don't want my children to complain of anything when they come. Alright? I love you. And I'll always be here for you.
You say she don't find you. You say she no born. Now she be my choice, now she be my wife. Oh, I like her like that. You say she don't find you.
Who is here? Mara Ranuno. Udoka. Mama. Nobody's in the house.
Onye. Asa. Ogi. Baby, we're on level.
Oh, wow. It's like you're busy in the house.
Hey, Uma. I've been busy cooking indomie. If you didn't get me, you'll require from Agura Gubola Meba.
Cooking indomie? While I brought cocoa for you and Mama. Are you serious? Yes, Nancy. Baby, thank you.
So now we have to enjoy this food alone. Let's go inside, eh?
This ukwa is not for you alone, no. Eh? It's for you and Mama now. I said, go inside.
Wait, Mama. My mother have gone back to the city since morning.
Are you serious?
Yes, now. I'm not going back to the city.
For what now? What happened?
Obioma, you're talking as if you're no longer close to this family. Mama have gone back to the city to send that girl packing out of that house. Yes. So at least someone who can give my brother children will come inside. You know, listen, my yako, so you know your boo. Who else if not you now? Oh, give one.
Really?
Yes, Mama.
Thank you.
Thank
you very much, eh? Hey, I'm happy.
Yeah.
Mama did well, You know what? You can now finish the food. When Mama comes back.
Obi, thank you. Hey, kangaroo, go that for. Let's go inside. Hey, Obi, I made a boy. I'm so happy. Obi, thank you. Yes, Mama. Mama, I'm happy. Yeah, she's fine. Obioma is here with me. She even brought us ukwa to eat. But I've eaten it all, Mama. My brother, Mama, just give it to him the way he wants it. Yes, give it to him. That is my mother. Good, Mama. Good, Mama. Obioma, Mama has done very well.
Are you serious? Hey!
As I speak to you now, my brother's wife is on the run.
Wow! How did she even do it? Mama is too much, yo.
Obioma, you don't even know my mother very well. My mother does things whenever she wants to do it, and she does it perfectly well. She even told me she have 2 plans for my brother, but I don't know the plans, Shao.
Really? Anyhow Mama wants it. Let her do it, anyhow I did. Look at her. A woman like her, common to be pregnant. She cannot. Okay. Give way for real babe like us to enter. She cannot.
Obioma, common for her to open her legs and take in. Yes, Apuku, take her in. She cannot. Marriage of 3 to 4 years, this woman cannot take in. I'm telling you.
Udoka, let me tell you this, if your brother touches me one night and I did not take in, come here.
Hey, Obiwa, I trust you.
You know what? Let's wait till Mama finish what she wants to do.
No problem.
If possible, let her take me to the city. I will do all I can to convince Collins.
Are you serious?
She can go to hell, I don't care.
Obioma, let her go to hell for I don't care. Yes, let her go to hell. Do you know that my brother's wife is very wicked? She is very, very wicked. But don't worry. Let Mama go and come back. I will now go back there and show her the stuff I am made of.
I trust you, my friendship.
Obioma!
You know what, Keep putting fire on Mama.
Of course I will.
I can't wait to enter here.
I will do anything for you, you know that.
To be part of this family.
Hey! Obi! Asamarova. Lenuku. Ukweje kunwa.
No problem, let me be going.
Sister Mercy, holy evangelist, heaven is our holy. Repent, your sinners will go to heaven. Heaven is our holy. Sister Mercy.
Is that how to become a woman of God? Is that you want everybody to repent the same thing? You should understand that these things are not done forcefully. That's why our people don't know it. Before you know it, she starts insulting you, drop her Bible and start fighting.
Anointed evangelist, when she carry Bible, she know they take nonsense. She said, make we repent, give our life to Jesus.
Like that every day. One day she'll go there, she won't find anybody. It will just be her mother and sister.
Okay now. Tomorrow morning's cry, I will not go there. Let me see how she come and force me.
Has it gotten to that?
Yes, it has. Let me see. I'm waiting for her.
Calm down.
Uchenwa, I don't get you. Tell me, how did my son get involved in what happened to Akudo?
Mercy attacked Maduka on the road and found condom on him. Both of us know the truth in this matter. There is no other person who would have bought that condom for, if not for my daughter. Please, tell him to leave my daughter alone. I don't like the condition I saw my daughter today. Just because of your son. Tell him to leave my daughter alone.
Hey, Uchenwa, are you trying to tell me that my son has no right to go buy condom and carry it about? Did the Mercy catch them together? Uchenwa, you cannot hear anything from my mouth. I know that is what you want. Mama
Akudo, please, I'm sorry to add to this. But my mother is right. My brother is a full-grown age man to put condom in his pocket. Yes. Did the Mercy see him in your compound? No. You saw him on the road. So what is it? It's not a big deal. He has his own decision to make.
Condom or cigar?
Condom, Ibo.
Sweet.
Ibo.
Okay. I've heard both of you, but don't say I did not warn you. We are not saying things the way people are saying it. Biko, tell your son to leave my daughter alone. I wouldn't want Mercy to maltreat the sister on account of Maduka. Before Akudo came back to this city, Maduka has been seeing other girls. Let him continue with those girls and leave my daughter alone. You all know Mercy. Don't let her read Midnight Bible for both of you.
So you came to threaten us. Come, let me tell you. You came to threaten us with Bible and midnight prayers. Who does not have God? Is God only for your family?
Mama.
Telling my son not to carry condom. For a code. Because I come ban him.
You will go by force.
This is getting out of hand. Why is your mother-in-law not allowing you enjoy your marriage? A marriage that is not even up to 2 to 3 years.
Even if it's 10 years. I've seen people give birth after 15 years of marriage. Why is she tormenting me like this? I don't know why.
My sister, your situation is terrible. I will never allow my mother-in-law try this with me when I get married. Else, I will show her the other side of me. I will, oh.
Gucci, Utala, Babe, don't even go there. When that time comes, you'll be very weak. Marriage is not the way you think it is. I mean, what will I do? Fight her? Come on. What will people say? Do you think if I fight her that my husband is going to be happy with me? No. He might be supporting me, yes. But not when I fight his mother. She remains his mother no matter what.
Nobody is talking about fighting his mother. All I'm saying, you know, is if I were in your shoes, which I think but I'm not, I will not leave my house for nobody. Not even my so-called mother-in-law. My dear, I will not leave my husband's house for anybody. I will remain in that house. If she wants to kill me, then let her go ahead and kill me. The most important thing is for you to have your husband's backing. 100%. Anyway, your husband is very rich, so even if you want to stay in a hotel for 1 year, he's capable.
Seriously, I never bargained for this. Even when all those things will happen to me in this marriage, seriously, I never knew. Eh?
So what is your next plan? You see why I told you to be praying? If I tell you, let's go to a prayer house, you will say, I too they go. I too they go from one church to another. My dear, you need prayers, oh. I am looking for a husband. You are looking for a child. We are both looking for something.
Gochi, please. Please. You know Collins don't like me doing all this prayer thing. Please, allow me. Allow me to do my prayer at home. I'm okay with that one.
Sorry, no vex. I was just being a friend.
Ma, please. Please, I don't like the way you're going about this with me, eh? Ma, the way you're going about this thing, you make the child not to even come. Please give my wife a break. Give her some time.
Collins. Bah. No. Mommy. I'm not you. That your wife will be pressing ping pong. Bah. This is how it starts. 3 years, 4 years. Before you know it, 20 solid years. Yeah. Collins, I have 2 options. 2. I have a beautiful girl in the village. If you see her, you see children all over her. Another one is in this town. I want you to follow me to the village so that you will see her. You know?
Mama, which is the second option?
Yeah! Collins. I won't tell you that. By tomorrow morning, if you refuse to follow me to the village, then I will activate it. Trust me, I'm your mother. Yeah! I know.
So here is the land. I give you this place out of my goodness. You will start cultivating here and make a living out of it. Huh? Very good.
Papa, you know I haven't farmed before. How will I start now?
If you ask that question again, I slap you. I slap you. What do you mean? You want to go hungry, you and your daughter, and the whole community will mock you? Eh? Aren't you ashamed saying what you said now? Be very careful.
Please, Papa, don't be too harsh on us. You know your son will not be happy wherever he is now. It's the love I had for your son that made me to stay back. I only had a daughter for him. And you know it, please.
Look at you. Look, you talk as if husbands are everywhere waiting for you. See, you didn't give us any son. Yet I accepted you after the demise of my son. What are you talking about? You must cultivate here to feed yourself and your son. Okay. Eh? Be very careful.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry.
Sorry. On Togare.
Sorry.
Come, let's go.
Sister Mercy, they come, anointed evangelist. When she carry Bible, she know they take nonsense. She said, make we repent, give our life to Jesus. If you don't want to go to heaven.
God!
Mercy, what is it?
You did ask what is it?
What is it?
Did you come out of this bush with this girl? Inside this bush? Papa, what's she talking about?
Don't mind her. Do not mind her.
Make you not mind me?
Yes.
Che, you need Jesus.
Mercy, you need a man.
Is she repent? You need Jesus.
You need a man, Mercy.
You need Jesus.
No problem. You see, it's you and I in this village. I will deal with you. I'll make sure I deal with you.
You enter bush woman. Now you still threatening me.
Sister Mercy, they come,
and you come out of bush like that.
when she carry Bible, she know they take nonsense. She said,
Babe, I'll be putting you in my prayers. Until you begin to see reasons to join my prayers.
Okay, no problem. One day I'll follow you.
Hi, honey.
Hi, baby. Welcome. Ugochi visited me.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You're leaving already?
Yes, I am. Okay, now.
All right.
Take care
Thanks
of
for
yourself,
coming.
Bye.
Hope to see you soon.
Yeah, sure.
Baby, how is Mama?
How did she know we're here?
She wanted to come to the house, but I told her that I'm here.
Why? Honey, why would you tell her we're here? Why couldn't you tell her we traveled, eh? Why? The next minute she'll go about telling everybody we run into a hotel. What is wrong with you?
Ugochi is not like that, honey. She's not our problem. Besides, there is nothing I've told her I've heard outside.
Look, honey, Ugochi might not be our problem, okay? But I've told you I don't like her. I don't like anything about her. The next thing she will advise you how you need prayers. Honey, please. Please. Mind your interaction with that girl. Stay away from Ugochi.
Okay, I will. I'm sorry. How did it go?
So you mean she has powers?
Manti. She claims she has, but nobody has ever had any form of healing from her. She forces everybody to repent and become born again. That's why everybody in this village disrespects her.
Oh, I see. No wonder we saw her early today. The way she even spoke to Papa was even wondering if she was a saint or what.
Yes, so Auntie, she's very good person, Auntie Mercy. She's very good. Just that she does everything by force. There's no how Auntie Mercy will see the truth that she will not say it though.
Ojumwa, so you have become ambassador for Mercy's ministry.
No, Papa. Auntie was just asking me and I'm answering her.
We are saying the same thing. You become ambassador for that ministry. That's it. But that's where it will end. Inugo, Obegili, let me warn you, Anabara. Do not ever attend that church. Don't.
Papa, so you mean I shouldn't go to church again because I'm in the village?
I never said that. Attend church service, but not to Mercy's church. Is that clear? You do it, we become warriors in the same house. You know, oh? Oh, what tuarerunya? Tuareata. O tuarechi ayajoya on tuare kaya potalowa. You know,
I don't know why Papa is trying to make me regret ever coming back to this. What was the question now?
Where is my tortoise? Akudo, where's my pot of soup?
I don't know. You will ask your daughter. Ask Mercy.
Mercy?
Yes.
Mercy, where is she? Mercy! Mercy!
Mama! Now why you disturb me when I meditate on the word of God? You shout my name.
Meditating kwa? You're just coming back from evening service. You've not had your bath. You've not eaten. You've not rested. And you're meditating again.
Pray without ceasing. Not me talk am. My Bible talk am. Eh? I beg, from this weekend or next week, you begin the ask sister when they call me, Sister Mercy. I just go and beg you, I beg.
Yes, ma'am. Madam. Sister Mercy. Where's my pot of soup?
Malika Zandaraba Shentrego Satregesi. I hide them. Because fasting today na 6 to 6. Nobody I tell you this morning.
But sister, it should be almost 6 now. I'm hungry, I want to eat.
6 never knock. When Jesus climbed mountain to go pray, he tell his disciples, say, stay awake for 1 hour. They sleep. As he come back, he asked them, say, so when I know if you stay awake with me for 1 hour, he climb mountain again. Before he come back, they don't begin to sleep. He asked them again, say, when I know if you stay awake for me for 1 hour, now I ask you, as my brethren, when I know if you follow me fast for 1 day, brethren, when I know if you follow me fast for 1 day,
hey! Chineke, what did I do to you? What did I ever do to you? I came back from the farm. You tied your sister here. I was there. I went to Madaka's house. I am hungry. I've not had anything to eat. I am hungry. Yesterday I fasted from 6 a.m. to 3 o'clock. Now it's just... Akudo, is it not to 6? Let me eat now. You say we are not going to eat again. Oh, give me one massive.
Mama, fasting tomorrow now 6 to 6 again. No?
Eh?
Yes. Because una know what they pray for. Una supposed to they encourage me. By the time God give me this power now, I go enjoy am. When I go begin to do miracle here, miracle there. Mama, now you go enjoy am. Don't they bring me down, I beg. Mercy snack. Akudo, once 6 o'clock knack. Come, I go show you where the soup day. May you go warm up. Even me as a day and now. Hungry don't deaf me. I dey stagger, but I dey with Mercy snack.
Hey, Akudo, should I run away from this house?
You say hungry won't kill himself. Mama, hey! I don't know why I come this house, I swear. I will not even come here at all.
Ha!
Really? Mama is mean.
Mama is very mean. Mama is very, very mean. I'll have to follow her to the village, just as she wanted.
Eh? You want to follow her to go and see that girl? Eh?
Am I crazy? Honey, come on. You think I don't know the girl? Look, I want to follow her to the village so Mama can grow. If I don't follow her, she will not go. Okay? I don't care about her second plan. I'm not interested.
Better, please. I want to go back to my house. I want to go back home.
I just want Mama to go. Okay? I want her to leave. Mama can't stay in that house for another month. Okay, and we can't continue staying in the hotel. I know you're not comfortable. I want to see if I can pay the bills. You know that.
You mean you're going to leave me here alone this night? I'll be here like all alone.
Hey, you know I would never do that. You know I would never ever leave you. Look, I have come to stay with you. Alright? Stay here and in the morning I'll go home, freshen up, and take her to the village.
Mama should please. She should give us just little time, just little.
Everything will be fine. Just need to time.
I wish Mama can see from your own perspective.
Everything will be fine.
I just wish. I just wish.
Mama, is that why you're angry? You see that girl? I'll marry that girl. Mercy can go ahead and say whatever thing she wishes to say. I don't care.
Madoka, I am angry. Before you know it, it will go around the whole village that Madoka, my son, is going about the village with condom in his pocket.
Abia.
Brother, why would you make such a mistake? What are you even doing with condom in your pocket?
Are you stupid? Echoma? So you are now NAFDAC? Mama? So I cannot go and buy condom for myself? Am I not man enough to have a wife? What's all this? Mama, please, you push, you leave me alone. I don't want problems.
What do you mean? So this is not enough to stain your name in this village? Condom is not a multi-purpose product. Even a child knows what it's meant for. Withdraw from that girl or make a move to marry her so that the whole village will know who meant well.
Mama is right though. Just do the right thing.
But she gone there. Now. Mama, I've heard what you said. I've heard you. But for that girl, I'll marry her. You see Mercy and her mother, I'm going to shut their mouth. Don't worry.
Ada? Ada? Ada, what is holding you? Yeah. Ada! What is holding this girl?
Mama.
Yeah!
Mama, am I okay like this?
Very okay. You are very okay. You know what? When he comes back, and you want to serve him food, use your breast to touch him. Nana?
Mama, I'm not comfortable though. What if Oga gives me a slap before he sends me out of the house?
He won't dare. Nothing like that. Oh man, it will not happen. Don't you trust me? Don't be scared. If you succeed, you marry him.
Mama, Obina Mapumo. What if this thing backfires? Eh?
Be courageous. Ada, turn. Let me look at you well. Yeah! Hey! Nothing will happen. Just be strong, okay? I am solidly behind you. Don't worry. Be courageous.
Welcome, baby. Come here.
You see? This is your real wife here. I never knew that it's this hot and sexy.
I'm hot for you, baby. Come, let's go inside. I'm going to give you a song before we come out.
Chimo. So it's a dream. Chai. Collins. He didn't come back home. Collins, you left your mother in this house all alone. Chai. Ada, wake up. Chai.
Mama, is he back?
No. Chai. Ada? Mama? I just had a dream. And my dreams are always true. I think he loves you.
Mama, I'm tired. It's getting late. Oga does not drive late at night. I'm very sure he's with Madam by this time. This our plan will not work.
Collins. Okay, we will see. Let's go inside.
I miss you.
I missed you too. But why is your sister like that?
I don't know. Do you know that she even refused to let me out this morning? But because of this water I went to fetch, now she wanted me to follow her to Morning Cry, but I refused.
Oh, you tried so much. But I waited for you patiently yesterday. Sure.
But what happened yesterday now? How come she saw condom in your pocket? How did she get it?
My dear, she just touched my pocket when I talked about marrying you. She said she wanted to find out if I have money to marry you. So I didn't know I had the condom in my pocket.
I'm tired. I don't even know why I came back to the village in the first place. I would have just remained where I was. I don't like this thing that she's doing. Before I left, you see this her madness, it was small. Now she wants everybody in the whole village to repent. How possible can that be? Do you know sometimes she doesn't even want us to eat?
You just have to take it easy with her. She's your sister. And she's your elder sister. Do you understand?
Yes.
Maybe like I said, I was so much in the mood yesterday. Even as we speak, I'm still in the mood. So let's just do something, you know.
So what do you want us to do now?
Come on, baby, you know I want to marry you. That's my intention. So we don't have to hide anything from ourselves. Let's just do it anyhow, you know.
In your house, or you want it in the bush?
Maybe it's inside the bush.
Let me see anybody who will come here and defecate again. What is all this rubbish? When I start cultivation now, everywhere is excreta. Anybody who tries it again, fire will burn that person. Fire will burn the person. Fire! Fire! Burn the person. Fire! Burn the person. Burn the person. Do I own here with anybody? Look at it.
Ichie, whose destiny are you tying here again? This evil man.
Mercy, have you come with your trouble again? Mercy, live here. If you don't live here, I give you the sickness called Apokanti. What's wrong with me? Protecting this place from people's nuisance.
It's a lie, Ichie. You're burying something here. You have to change. And to change is not hard. Just come and kneel down here now. Pray for you. It's over.
Mercy, I have a pity for you because of your mother. Leave here now.
So you cannot do anything. If you bring your jars now and I bring my Bible, one person is going to run mad and that person is the person only cutlass and wearing a red cap.
You are suffering what your woman has called lack of man, lack of sex. If you have man and sex now, you will be intact. Your brains will come back.
Again?
Yes.
You need Jesus.
You need man.
You need Jesus.
You need sex.
You need Jesus.
You need man.
You need Jesus.
You need sex.
I'll pray for you in church.
You've not
you need
had
Jesus.
sex for years.
You need Jesus.
Once you get a man, sex will come there.
I'm going to pray for
you become a normal person. I'm going to pray for you. Asimon Chegeri, Ntugari na Nchegeri, and Atugari na Chegeri, or your capital. Let that person come again and defecate here. Fire will just follow you.
You will go by force. You say she don't find you. You say she no go. She be my choice, and she be my wife. I like her like that. You say she don't find
Mama.
you. You say she no go.
Mama, keep you now. Please come. Let me go and drop you. Why are you in a hurry? How true you are coming back today? Okay? Ada? You have what I told you?
Where is the gate man? Gate man! Come here. You heard what I told you?
Yes, ma.
If I see that woman in this house again, I kill you.
Okay, ma. I will not disappoint you, ma.
Leave this place, Mama. Say back, what? Mama, please enter the car. Let me drop you. I don't have time. Collins, why is your face like this? Eh? You're shouting like a sheep that is being taken to the slaughterhouse. I'll give me one. Here. I've entered.
You say she no born, oh. Now she be my choice, now she be my wife, oh. I like her like that. You say she don't find you. You say she no born, oh. Now she be my choice, now she be my wife, oh. I like her like that. You say she knows the mercy they come, oh, anointed evangelist. When she carry Bible, she know they take nonsense. She say make we repent, give our life to Jesus. If you don't want to go to heaven, you will go by force. Holiness, you Sister Mercy, holy evangelist. Heaven is our
moving me around. Mercy, Mama. When do you say today's fast is going to end?
Once you close that 6, Mama. 6 to 6. I tell you this thing now. I tell you yesterday.
Because I'm going to the farm and I want to close in the farm.
For what? Mama, why? Eh? What will it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? In other words, Bible they ask you now, say, what will it go profit you if you chop all the rice, chop all the apple, can't lose your soul? What will you again?
Master, things of God are not done by force. They're not done this way you are going about it. Eh? If you force us to do this fasting from 6 to 6, it will not be spiritually fruitful.
Mama! Hunger don't give you wisdom. You know there's big BB grabber. When hungry, deaf person, you will talk. The person no go to hear word. You no go no say you no stubborn. Na hunger. Biko, wait to be. Use mind do am. Oh, na for good. Na for good. I beg. 6 to 6. I beg. Where I could do there?
She went to fetch water.
Mama!
Who will do it if she doesn't do it? Is it me that will do it?
You are not good to come for this house? Eh? Hi! Right now, now your responsibility. I don't wash my hand. Come for the matter. If I cannot make heaven, now you the responsible. I tell you. That's the way you know say, wash your land, come on for here. You got me that useless boy. That useless boy when you happy the smell. When they carry condom, like an ID card. You got land, come out. In plan no go work today.
Sister Mercy they come, oh, anointed evangelist. When she carry Bible, she know they take nonsense. She say make we repent.
What is this? Wait, does that mean Mercy now wants Akudo to be in the house all the time? How is it possible? Eh? Here. Oh.
Baby, let's just enter inside that place and do this thing. Eh? This place is not safe. There is better.
Which thing? You know, I never chop. I dey fast. Hungry they beat me. And even if we do anything now, so which food I won't chop?
Baby, how can you be talking like this? When you know I am here, I will give you food now and even give you money.
Do you have a condom?
I don't have condom, but that doesn't matter. I am clean now.
No, it's not even about clean. It matters. After when I get pregnant now.
That is what I want now. It has been my prayer. You know, if you get pregnant, I will then marry you. And your sister can no longer object. So see what you will do. Once we are done, get back to your house, drop your water and come over to my house. I'll give you food.
Okay. Maduka. Maduka.
I'm hearing you now.
Maduka, many times I call you. Even now, can't get now, so they go call you. No go answer me like this again. Matuka.
How can I do such to you?
You know, say I love you, Abi.
And you know I love you too.
Oh, yeah, you carry it. I
will carry it now. Love you. I know you're fasting. I'll take it. Come.
Repent, your sinners will go to hell. Heaven is our holy. Sister Mercy, holy evangelist. Heaven is our
Come. You see Akudo for that stream?
No, good morning. No.
Wait. As you gonna come back, you see her for road?
Yeah. Oh, I just went to the stream now and I'm going back. I didn't see her on my way now at the stream. Is anything the matter?
Now which kind of
is she missing?
Now which kind of foolish question you want ask me so? They go your house, make you no worry. When I see that girl, she go know herself. She go tell me where she go.
I don't know.
righteousness. Repent, your sinners will go to hell. Heaven is our holy. Sister Mercy, holy evangelist. Heaven is our holy. Repent, your sinners will go to hell. Heaven is our holy. Sister Mercy, holy evangelist. Heaven is our holy. Repent.
Sister, why are you locking me inside the house? It's not good, oh. It's not good. Why will you lock me inside now?
Now you go stay until I go mountain, come back. I don't lock the door. You don't hear me so? Because save my sister. I go just pity you. I will come back from mountain at least by 6 o'clock.
What if Mama come back? How she will take enter inside house?
You go tell her and say that instruction where I give from the prophet. Make she not allow you come outside. Stay there like that until I come back from mountain. When I don't go mountain, the spirit of the Holy Spirit don't fall on top of me. I don't begin to see the visions clear. I go come, I go tell you what happened yesterday, today, forevermore, and tomorrow. You go no say you're supposed to fear me. So, is it I believe what you tell me today? It's tell me I believe what you tell me today.